Let me show you all of the gestures and motions available for Redmi Note 14 Pro. So first of all, we need to open our settings on this device, then navigate to additional settings and look for the gestures and shortcuts. And open it. Right here we can find all of that options. First one being launch digital assistant by holding a power button on your device like this, which will open either Gemini or Google Assistant depending on which one you have active. Then there's the take a screenshot. You can slide 3 fingers from top of the screen to capture a screenshot, or click on the power button and volume down button at the same time to also capture that screenshot. Next is partial screenshot. You need to hold 3 fingers onto the screen and then you can capture a partial screenshot. And then we have launch camera. There's 2 options: double press power button to open camera, or double press volume down button when the screen is locked to also launch camera. So the first one, the double tap on power button, and the second one, lock your device and double click on the volume down button. Next will be turn on flashlight, and you need to replace it with the camera function. Then you can double press on the power button to activate or deactivate flashlight. And that is basically everything.